Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to explore decimals on a number line. You already know how whole numbers are placed on a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But what about the numbers in between? That's where decimals come in. Decimals help us show the values between whole numbers. By dividing the spaces on the number line into equal parts, we can place numbers like 0.1, 0.2, 0.5 or even 1.75 at exact positions. So let's begin by solving few sums. Although this topic is for grade 7, but it is being studied in higher grades also till grade 10. And this is true for most topics in maths. So let's begin. The first problem is, what decimal numbers are at A, B and C? Please note that this is a rough number line, not drawn to scale. Now, what do we observe here? There are 10 equal parts between two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this means each division on the number line represents one by 10th or 0.1 the value. So now we observe that this is A. This is A and then this is B and this is C. Now what do we observe? A, the value of A is -1 plus 0.1. Why? Because each division is representing 1/10 or 0.1, 1 by 10 or 0.1. So the value of A is this position is -1 plus 0.1, which is -1.1. Similarly, B is 0 minus 0.1 plus 0.1, which is minus 0.1 minus 0.1, which is minus 0.2. And C is 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, which is 1 plus 0.3. So the value of C is 1.3, this part. Now we will solve another problem. Just give me a moment to erase. Now second problem. Place the decimal numbers. Place the decimal numbers to 1.7, 2.6, then 1.4 and 2.3 on a number line Hence, write the numbers in ascending order. Hence, write the numbers in ascending order. which means from smaller to larger number. Now we will draw, first we will draw the number line. Now what do we observe? That the range of these numbers 2, 1.7, 2.6, 1.4 and 2.3. So the range is confined between 1 and 3. So we need not include other numbers 1 and 3. In between we have 2. Now let us divide it equally, 1 into 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Please note this is just a rough sketch, not drawn to scale. Now we have to place the numbers. So 2, this is 2, first number, then 1.7. So 1.1 is here, then 1.1. Now what do we observe? They are the number line is divided into 10 parts. Each division is representing 0.1. So there are 10 parts between two whole numbers. So each division represents 0.1. Each here is representing 0.1. So where do we place 1.7? We observe this is 1. So moving in this direction, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So this is 1.7. Next, 2.6. Now this is the whole number 2, which is represented here. Now let's begin. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6. So this is 2.6. Next, 1.4. Now 1 is here. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. And 2.3. So 2 is here, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, so this is the first part. Hence, write the numbers in ascending order. So the numbers in ascending order are, what do we observe? 1.4 from the number line itself, 1.7, then 2, then 2.3, and then 2.6. That was a wrap up on today's topic. We discovered how decimals fit neatly on a number line, filling the spaces between whole numbers. Now you know how to place and compare decimals with ease. Keep practicing and continue to explore more sums. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more lessons. Looking forward to your valuable feedback in comment section below. Till then, happy learning!